Hi, welcome back to Musa Chemistry, Chemical Equation Balancing Lesson number 18. Alright, let's look at our chemical equation here. Now this one seems a little bit more complicated than we've been doing in the other ones, but hey, you know what? Sometimes if they look complicated, they may not really be that bad. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's take a look at this. Let's look at our reactants first. What are our reactants? Well, our first reactant right here, which is on the left side, is calcium phosphate. Our second reactant is silicon dioxide. Our products, which are on our right side, our first product is tetraphosphorus decaoxide. And our second product is calcium silicate. All right, now we know what we have. Let's go ahead and solve this. Now, I always encourage you guys to use the table method because actually it's the simplest way of doing things. Set that up there. You don't have to be perfect. So the first thing you want to do is draw a line down there and put calcium in here. All right. Then we want to use phosphorus because that's our next element in order. Then we have oxygen. And then we have silicon. Now you say, well, don't you have that second oxygen right there? That's right, but we don't do it because we've already counted it once. So you want the right side to look like the left side. So the first thing you want to do is put down calcium. See that? Then put down phosphorus again. Put down oxygen. And then put down silicon. Now, all we have to do is put our numbers in. So this subscript right underneath the Ca means we have 3 calcium. Now that's phosphorus right here. It has a 2 right there. See that 2? That 2 is going to multiply everything inside. So that's going to give us 2 phosphorus. 4 times 2 is 8 oxygens, but you have 2 oxygens here. So 8 plus 2 is 10. And this gives us 1 silicon. All right, great. Over here, we have 1 calcium. That was easy. 4 phosphorus. That's simple. 10 oxygens. Nope. Don't forget the 3 right here. That 3 is only with the oxygen, so 10 plus 3 is 13. And we have 1 silicon. All right, so now we are about ready to start solving this. So let me clean this up just a tad bit to keep things from getting too cluttered. All right, so go ahead and get rid of that there, get rid of that there. All right, and now we're ready to solve. So the first thing I would do is I'd probably go after the calciums. I mean, there's different ways to do it, but I'm gonna go after the calcium first. So I'm just gonna put a 3 in front of there, which I can do. I can't change subscripts, but I can change the number in front of the chemical formulas. So when I do that 3, that gives me 3 calcium, that gives me 3 silicon, and that gives me 3 times 3, which makes 9 oxygens, but you got to count that 10 oxygens there. So 10 plus 9 is, of course, 19. All right, so, but that doesn't really help us. It doesn't solve things because we got 4 phosphorus right there. See that 4? So that means I can't put a 2 inside there, but I can put a 2 on the outside right here. When I do that, that makes 2 times 3. That changes our calcium to 6. So 2 times 2 gives us 4 phosphorus. There's our phosphorus now. But that changes our oxygens. 4 times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, plus 2 makes 18 oxygens. Okay, again, 2 times 8 gives us 16 plus these 2 oxygens right here gives us this 18. All right. Now, but our silicon has a 3 here, so we have to put at least a 3 here. When we do that, that changes that to 3. That changes this to 6 oxygens. 6 oxygens plus 16 oxygens gives us 22 oxygens. All right. So still we're not there yet. We have to fix something. Something's not right. Oh, look, our calcium. We had 3 in front of here, right? But when we put this 2, we changed that calcium to 6. So let's go ahead and erase something. We're going to cancel out that 3, and we're going to put a 6 there. There we go. See that 6? Easy. So put the 6 in there. But hey, wait a minute, that changes our silicon. So we change that to a 6. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 10 gives us 28 oxygens. Oh, okay. Well, we're going to get rid of this 3 here, because guess why? Because now we have a 6 there. All right, so let's get rid of that 3. Let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit. And we want to get rid of that 3, and we're going to put a 6 in front of the silicon. So that gives us 6 silicon now. But that changes our oxygen count. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 16 from over on this side here. So 12 and 16 gives us 28. So let's look at the number now. 6, 4, 28, 6. 6, 4, 28, 6. You're done. See how easy that was? I know it was a little bit complicated. If you'd like to watch the video again, go ahead. Watch as many times as you like. But you'll get it. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Moosing Chemistry!